Now let's go back to the introspection part. Okay, and who's going to do the introspection? I'm going to do the introspection. I'm going to talk about brain pundits and the channel you are here on, and we wouldn't be here because of brain if it weren't for brain pundits. So what is BP? What is brain pundits, and why is BP and brain pundits? So it is completely attached to my story, and I'm the co-founder of Brain Pundits Technologies, and when I we help students to discover their streams and careers using psychological testing. How we do that, we'll come to that later, but I'll tell you my story first. So, my name is Bikram, and I haven't told you guys, live before or in the YouTube ever. So let me tell you now. So when I was in 12th, Mr. Gaurav picked a perfect example. So I am the perfect, like the what you can say, the stereotype kind of person. I'm a computer science graduate. I'm a BTech graduate, and I want when I was ever since I was a boy, I wanted to go into computer sciences. I am fascinated by computers, and when I was in 12th, I wanted to go to IIT. IIT was my goal, and we're preparing for it. I couldn't get through. I got rank of 7,300, and the cutoff was 7,000. So you can understand my complete aggravation towards that. So what I did was I joined Punjab University, and then I tried to prepare again in my college. In my college first year, I prepared again for IIT, and this time I got a lower rank than before, and I completely burnt out. I burned out, and went into this spiral of being alone, not attending classes, and just going into myself and alone in depression. And I got out of the depression, but I got out of it. The statement that got me out was that the thing that changed my depression was, if I am witnessing this, if I am a witness of these feelings, so are others. And so are others, like all over the world, who are having this problem of careers, understanding where they fit in life, where they fit in the world, what they can do, how they can understand and gain satisfaction. When we were children, we used to take enjoyment out of everything. When we used to go to the fair, we used to enjoy. When we used to eat ice cream, we would just have laugh, fun. But over a period of time, those amount of joys, they decreased, and now I'm 30, I'm 29, so they get fewer. They get fewer over the age group. So then after I graduated, I opened Brain Pundits Technologies. We started it, and a lot of people got attached to us, and lot of psychologists, career experts, counselors, they got attached with this, because they were just convinced by my fervor belief, because I could do anything. We could do anything in life. So why do this? Because this is like, I want to do this. I want to help you guys. I want to help everybody to find their careers. And so some of these psychologists, they have over 4 decades of experience, and under their guidance, we developed all these tools. We developed that algorithm that helps person choose these careers. And those 4 factors that we were talking about earlier: the personality, the interests, the aptitude, in which it comes the IQ, that comes in the aptitude, and the motivation. What motivates you? All these factors we take into consideration. So now let's look at the fact that what do we do? Okay, so we, as I said, first is that we test you on multiple tests. We have a battery of tests. It's not just one test, and these are all proper scientific tests. I know that there are other tests, other companies, and some of them are not scientifically efficacious. Okay, so they are not scientific company, but we are different. We do that, and how we do that is we do that through capturing a lot of data points. What data points mean is we capture a lot of information, like the questions that you were seeing earlier, right? So the data is called data points, and we capture over 700 of these data points. And the computer algorithm, it combines these 700 data points into these 60 plus qualities. That tells you yourself on these 60 dimensions, understanding, those were just the 5 dimensions, okay? And these 5 dimensions have a further 6 dimensions within them. So there are 30 personality traits with 5 umbrellas, so there are 35 personality traits. And similarly, all the aptitudes, all the interests and the motivations, and they combine up to the 60 plus qualities. So the testing part, we not only we do the testing, not only do we do the diagnosis. Like when you go to the Lal Path Lab, you get the test done. So not you get the report, okay, that you are high here, you are low here, you are high here, this is of concern. If you want to become this, then whatever. But we also give the remedial action, the medicine, if it's an appropriate term. If you want to change yourself, how you can do it. The plan, a plan to do it. Not just content, but a plan to do it, a proper plan how you can improve yourself, how you can change that rigid nature. As we grow older, as I said, we become more rigid, and the plans are to help you with that. And what we do is we understand today's youth, in the sense that articles is something that people read less and less. Yes, a lot of them read it, and we encourage that. But we also have a lot of videos of whom, of prominent people, of YouTubers, of famous personalities, of all these people out there who are already the experts, already the most popular content. We have scanned all that content through YouTube, and using machine intelligence, we have identified which student, according to your results, we will populate these videos to your dashboard, on our website. When you come, give the test, you get the result, and based on the scores of your results, we populate you videos. We send you videos and articles that you read to improve yourself, to improve your abilities. And that is the way. The problem is with today's world is that there is too much information, and we have solved that problem by providing you the information you need, providing you the content that you need. Okay. The further, like we have the aptitude test that we test. It tries to measure, it measures you on a raw aptitude. It doesn't measure, like that we always know. So once you prepare for a test, you're preparing for a test. The night before, if you some people, the night before they read, they do the rote learning, and the next day they are able to score higher marks than you, and you had studied for an entire week. And that's the sad fact of the quiz system or the test system that we have today. But we didn't want to do that. We wanted to measure your real aptitude, and that is what the aptitude test does. And this aptitude test, it's not available anywhere else. These are all our questions. You won't find these questions in books, by the way. They're supposed to measure yourself on the real aptitude, the raw aptitude within yourself. And the 7th point is more towards, geared towards schools and colleges. We have done testing in many schools, many colleges. Just to name a few, we have done, I'll name the most prominent. So we did the testing in DAV Jalandhar, the DAV Police Public School Jalandhar, where we tested their entire 10th class students, and it was a real delight to do them, because we have another system for schools wherein what we do is we provide a dashboard to them, and they are able to see class wise who are the top performers and who are the underperformers of each class, and give their personalized learning. Teachers are able to say, okay, this student needs this type of learning, so I will focus towards him or her in this fashion. And that is what we do.